Singapore, Japan, Indonesia, Egypt, Thailand, USA, and Malaysia. We're the Jumping Travelers.
And so we're finally here. But before that, let's look at some do's and don'ts. Yeah, I know you're tired, but it's not okay to kiss the windows with your cheeks. No. Just do it. Nobody's watching.
Anda kini sudah tiba di Tawau. Terima kasih kerana terbang bersama Asia. Have a great stay di Tawau.
Don't sleep till the last minute. You might not get home. Be the last person to leave the plane and dance all the way out of the plane and say hi to the world, making a great exit. Woohoo! So just do it. Try not to look suspicious when you're at the airport. Chances are you might get detained or caught, but don't let them stop you for being happy and wacky and crazy and joyfully. So don't be suspicious. Just don't. Most importantly, just be yourself and have fun. Like walking down the zebra crossing. You don't want to walk the normal way. Try to put some fun in it. Like what she's doing right now. Yeah, and some dance and style, and suddenly if you feel embarrassed, just walk straight ahead, look up, and pretend that you're normal.